Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have Cursor installed and Copilot enabled. Now start by opening the project file you want to edit. First, sign into GitHub inside Cursor so Copilot can access suggestions. Once done, position the text cursor where you want generated code or comments. That immediate context drives accuracy. Make sure your language mode is correct and any necessary extensions are active. These first steps get Copilot-ready input and reduce irrelevant completions, so you'll get useful suggestions from the first invocation. Now invoke Copilot using the cursor shortcut or an inline prompt and watch suggestions appear. Provide a guiding comment or function signature to explain intent, because Copilot uses surrounding context to choose patterns. If the first suggestion is off, cycle alternatives or accept and edit inline. Small edits nudge future proposals. Also combine short examples and explicit constraints like return types or performance needs to steer results. By iterating this way, you shape Copilot into producing code that fits your style and requirements. Finish by running tests and a linter to confirm the generated code behaves correctly. Never assume correctness. Manually inspect edge cases, dependencies, and license notes in suggestions because Copilot may reuse patterns. If results are poor, reset the local context by moving to a simpler file or refine your prompt with clearer constraints, and then re-invoke. You can also toggle setting tweaks or re-authenticate GitHub. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the immediate buffer or reopen cursor to refresh model context when suggestions go off the expected track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.